Sri Gurupiya Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 7, exercise 7.1, 7th sum. The ratio of the radii of two right circular cone. Two right circular cones of same height. The ratio is given in the form of 1:3. That is R1 is to R2 equal to 1:3. Find the ratio of the curved surface area. Then condition is given height of each cone is 3 times. Height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. So you can take it as R1 is the smaller cone. R1 is the smaller cone. So let the radii of two cones, you can take it as, let the radii, plural form, radii of two cones, let the radii of two cones, let the radii of two cones be R1 and R2. In that R1 is the smaller cone, R1 is the radius of the smaller cone, R1 is the radius of the smaller cone. So radii R1 by, it is ratio R1 is to R2 equal to 1:3. You can write it in a fraction, R1 by R2 equal to 1/3. R1 by R2 equal to 1/3. R1 by R2 equal to 1/3. Then height of the cone. Height you can take it as H1. Height is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. So you can take it as H1 equal to 3R1. In the same way, height H2 is also what? 3R1. H2 is also 3R1. Now we are going to find out the slant height, because curved surface area of the cone formula is pi r L. So slant height L1. L1 equal to root of H1 square plus R1 square. L1 equal to root of H1 square plus R1 square. R1 equal to, from this you can take the value R1 as it is, you will write R1 equal to R2 equal to, you can take it as 3R1. Okay, cross multiplication. H1 square plus R1 square. So L1 equal to root of, what is H1 square? 3R1 the whole square plus R1 square. You can keep the value R1 as it is, because it is the radius of the smaller cone. You don't make it as a two variables. Okay. So 9R1 square plus R1 square. So it gives root of 10R1 square. 10R1 square equal to root 10 into R1. Root 10 into R1. L2 equal to, see here R1 by R2 equal to 1/3. Cross multiplication. R2 equal to 3. R2 equal to 3R1. So L2 equal to root of H2 square plus R2 square. H2 square plus R2 square. So it gives root of 3. H2 is nothing but what? 3R1 the whole square. The same way R2 is also what? 3R1 the whole square. 3R1 the whole square. L2 equal to root of 9R1 square plus 9R1 square. L2 equal to root of 18R1 square. 18R1 square. 18. 9 2s are 9 into 2R1 square. It gives 3 root 2 into R1. 3 root 2 into R1. Then curved surface area of the two cones. Curved surface area of the two cones. Ratio of curved surface area of the two cones. Two cones equal to, what is the formula for curved surface area of the cone? Pi r L. So it gives pi r1 L1 by pi R2 L2 pi R2 L2. So pi get cancelled. R1 into what is the value of L1? L1 value equal to root 10. That is root 10 into R1 by R2. R2 is nothing but what? 3R1. 3R1 into L2. L2 is 3 root 2 R1. 3 root 2 R1. R1 cancel. R1 cancel. So that root 10 you can make it into what? Root 5 into root 2 by 3 into root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. So curved surface area, ratio of curved surface area. The ratio of curved surface area equal to root 5 is to 3. Root 5 is to 3. Ratio of curved surface area equal to root 2 is to 3 3s are 9. Root 5 is to 9. Ratio of curved surface area equal to 3 into 3 9. Root 5 is to 9. See here, now we are going to see sphere and hemisphere. What is sphere? Sphere. A sphere is a solid generated by a revolving the semicircle. See here, this is the greatest circle. This is the greatest circle. See, when two hemispheres join, you can get a sphere. This is the greatest circle. This part is the greatest circle, greatest diameter, greatest circle. So semisphere revolved by a hemisphere. A sphere is a solid generated by revolving the hemisphere. A section of a sphere cut by a plane. A section of a sphere cut by a plane through any of its great circle. Great circle means what? This is the great circle, that is the center part. You can just imagine a globe. Okay, this is the greatest circle. The center part of the sphere is nothing but a greatest circle. Is cut by a plane through the greatest part. The greatest part. Greatest circle is called a hemisphere. This is hemisphere. This is nothing but a hemisphere. This is the diameter, radius of the circle. See here, we are going to see the formula. Curved surface area. Curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of a hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. Square units. Next, total surface area. Total surface area of a hemisphere. Total surface area of a hemisphere. Total surface area of a hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. Square units. Next, surface area of a sphere. Surface means nothing but what? Surface area is equal to total surface area. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Square units. 4 pi r square units. Next, curved surface area of a hollow hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hollow hemisphere. Different radii. Hollow hemisphere equal to, because external radius is r and internal radius is small r, it gives 2 pi into capital R square plus small r square into square units. 2 pi capital R square plus small r square into square units. square units. Two different radius. Next, total surface area of the hollow hemisphere. Total surface area. Total surface area of a hollow hemisphere. Total surface area of a hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere. Total surface area of a hollow hemisphere equal to pi into 3r square. Pi into 3r square plus r square. 3r square plus r square into square units. Pi into 3r square plus r square into square units. See the eighth sum. The radius of a sphere increased by 25%. Find the percentage increase in its surface area. What is the surface area of the sphere formula? 4 pi r square into square units. You can take it as r is the radius of the radius of the original sphere. R is the radius of the original sphere. R is the radius of the original. You can take it as R is the radius of the original sphere. Let R is the radius of the original sphere. Its surface area. Surface area equal to, what is the formula for surface area? Equal to 4 pi r square units. 4 pi r square units. Next, the radius is increased by 25%. Radius is increased by 25%. Increased by 25%. Radius is increased by 25%. What is the new radius? New radius equal to radius is increased means you can put it as plus 25%. 25 by 100 into r. Radius is increased, that mathematical symbol is plus, increased by 25%. 25 by 100 into r. You can cancel the value. 1 by 4 r plus 1 by 4r. You can take the LCM. 4r plus r by 4. It gives 5r by 4. It is nothing but a new radius. Then we should find out the new surface area. New surface area equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi into r value. New radius is 5 by 4 r. 5 by 4 r. 5 by 4 r the whole square. 4 pi r square. New radius r is 5 by 4 r. So it gives 4 pi into 25 r square by 16. 4 times. So what is the value? 25 pi r square by 4. 25 pi r square by 4. 25 pi r square by 4. Increase in surface area. Increased in surface area. Increased in surface area equal to new area, that is 25 pi r square by 4 minus original. What is the original one? 4 pi r square. Original one is 4 pi r square. Now you can take the LCM as 4. 25 pi r square minus 16 pi r square by 4. 25 minus 16 is nothing but what? 9 pi r square by 4 square units. See, percentage increased in surface area, percentage increased in surface area equal 9 pi r square by 4 by original one. What is the original pi as? 4 pi r square into 100. So it gives 9 pi r square by 16. You can reciprocal that value. So 16 pi r square into 100. Pi r square get cancelled. Then see here 900 by 16. 9 into 100. 900 by 16. When you can divide the value, 56.25%. You can divide and get the answer in the refer column. 900 by 16 equal to 56.25%. See the ninth sum. The internal and external diameters of the hollow hemispherical vessel are 20 cm and 28 cm. Diameters are given. You should find out the radius. Internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel. Hemispherical. This is hemispherical. Hemispherical vessel or 20 cm and 28 cm. So you should find out the radius. Radius means diameter by 2. And find the cost of the paint of the vessel all over at rupees 0.14 per centimeter square. See here, internal diameter equal to 20 centimeter. So internal diameter equal to 20 centimeter. Internal radius equal to 10 centimeter. External diameter equal to, that is capital R. This is small r, and external diameter equal to 28 centimeter. External radius equal to capital R equal to 28 by 2. 28 by 2 equal to 14 centimeter. 28 by 2 equal to 14 centimeter. So total surface area of the hollow hemisphere. Total surface area of the hollow hemisphere. So what is the formula? Total surface area of the hollow hemisphere equal to pi into 3r square. 3r square plus r square. 3r square plus r square units. Therefore, total surface area equal to 3 into pi into 3 into capital R. Capital R equal to 14 square. 14 square plus small r. Small r equal to 10 square. So it gives pi into 196. 14 square into 3. 588 plus 100. 588 plus 100. It gives 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7 into 688. Into 688. See, total surface area equal to 22 by 7 into 22 into 688. 15,136 by 7 centimeters square. 15,136 by 7 centimeters square. And then cost of painting per square meter. cost of painting per square meter, that is per centimeter square equal to rupees 0.14. So total cost equal to total surface area into 0.14. It gives 15,136 by 7 into 0.14. 1 times 0.02. When we multiply, what is the answer? Check the answer. You can do everything in the rougher column and check the answer. 302.72 paise. 302 rupees and 72 paise. Cost of painting 15,136 by 7 centimeter square. See here, 10th sum, the frustum shaped outer portion of the table lamp. See, the diagram is given in the question itself. You can see the book. The frustum shaped, this is the table lamp. The frustum shaped, you can think of the bucket. The frustum shaped outer portion of the table lamp has to be painted including the top part also. Find the total cost of the lamp if the cost of the painting is 1 centimeter square is rupees 2. It is given this diameter, radius is 6 centimeter, radius is 6 centimeter and height equal to 8 centimeter, height equal to 8 centimeter and here 12 centimeter, here 12 centimeter. So height of the radius equal to frustum. This is the shape of the frustum. Radius equal to capital R equal to, that is the external radius, capital R equal to 12 centimeter. External radius capital R equal to 12 centimeter and small r equal to 6 centimeter and height equal to 8 centimeter. Height equal to 8 centimeter. What is the slant height formula? L equal to root of, you should find out the slant height. L equal to root of r minus r the whole square. R minus r the whole square plus h square. R minus r the whole square plus h square, it gives r. Radius equal to 12 minus r equal to 6 the whole square plus h square. What is the h value? H value equal to 8 square. Root of 6 square plus 8 square. L equal to root of 36 plus 64. L equal to root 100. L equal to 10. L equal to 10 centimeter. L equal to 10 centimeter. See, curved surface area of the frustum. Curved surface area of the frustum formula. What is the curved surface area of the frustum? Pi into r plus r into L. Pi into r plus r into L. See, it can be covered. See the top part also. The top part is in a circle shape. The top part also can be covered. In the top part also, the top part is in the shape of circle. So cost of required portion to be painted. Required portion to be painted equal to curved surface area of the frustum. Curved surface area of the frustum plus top part. Top part is in the shape of the circle. Area of the circle equal to pi r square. pi r plus r into L, and the topmost part is the shape of the circle. What is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. So it gives pi, you can take it as commonly out, pi into r plus r. R plus r is 12 plus 6 into L is 10 plus r. R value is 6 square. 6 square. So it gives pi into 18. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 10. 18 into 10, 180 plus 36 square units. See, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 into 10, 180. 180 plus 36. So it gives 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 6, 216 centimeter square. 216 centimeter square. See here, 22 into 216 equal to 4752 by 7 centimeter square. Cost of painting. When we divide, you can divide and check the answer in the rough work column. 678.86 centimeter square. 678.86 centimeter square. Cost of painting per centimeter square is rupees 2. Cost of painting. Cost of painting per centimeter square. Per centimeter square equal to rupees 2. Therefore, total cost of painting. Total cost of painting. Total cost of painting equal to 678.86. See, total cost of painting equal to 678.86 centimeter square into rupees 2. So when we multiply, what is the answer? Rupees 678.86. 1357.72 paise. 1357.72 paise. I hope you enjoyed, children. See here, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.